9:28, the first emergency call went out.
We're going to classify this as a mass casualty incident.
One train's looks like it's completely in pieces.
TRIAID is a tool for triage and mass casualty incidents like this train wreck, where injured patients outnumber emergency responders. Therefore, TRIAID can assist responders in determining the color of patients more quickly. This will allow patients to get transported to hospitals more efficiently and potentially saving their life. There are 3 classes of responders working together to expedite the rescue process. First, the applier, who attaches the chest and breast pieces to each patient. Second, the reassessor, who overrides blue colors. Third, the commander, who allocates hospital resources based on the displayed map. Once applied to the patient, TRIAID collects data on respiratory rate, mental status, and GPS coordinates. The data is displayed as a color-coded balloon on a map. All collected data are also saved for future reference. There are in total 4 color codes. This is a patient who falls in the yellow category. The yellow color is for delayed patients that require treatment but are in good enough shape to wait until more critical patients are treated. Their respiratory rate is in the safe zone from 12 to 24 beats per minute, and their mental status is steady. Mental status is determined using voice recognition software. The patient is asked 2 simple questions and must answer at least one of them correctly. The software has a bank of corrected answers that the recorded answers will be compared to. And the color categories is then indicated by an LED light bulb. The red color is for severely injured patient that requires immediate transport. Either their respiratory rate or mental status is not in the safe zone. The respiratory rate is recorded using an accelerometer. The data from all 3 axes are summed, normalized, and filtered to produce a noise-free, in-range signal. The peaks of this signal are then counted to determine the respiratory rate. The blue color indicates patients who require reassessment by a responder. These patients have a respiratory rate that is out of the expected range, indicating that either they are deceased or the machine has some problem that needs to be checked out by a responder.
Locate patient 1 for reassessment. Sending you the coordinates now.
Located patient 1. Color indicating blue. Checking vitals now. No vitals detected. Overriding patient to black. Patient overwritten to black. Patient may only be placed into this category by responder override to avoid any miscategorization of patients. There are several things that we're especially proud of during this project. First being the accelerometer. It is a very novel use of the device to measure respiratory rate. We incorporate X, Y, and Z axis to coordinate the respiratory rate movements from the patient's diaphragm.
Second, we're proud of the speech to text. It has preset questions and the patient answers to determine their mental status.
The continuous monitoring of vitals and GPS coordinates allows responders to more effectively manage mass casualty incidents and allocate hospital resources for patients.
Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your time.